Tadka dal is a very common and popular dish in any Indian restaurant. It can be served with any main meal, with vegetable, meat dishes, or even with the biryani. Today I'm going to show you how to cook tadka dal at home in a very easy way, but still the taste is the same as restaurant. So viewers, let's get started with the recipe. First of all, I'm going to take some red lentils, which is the most common dal, and with that I'm going to add some moong dal. You can use other dal like urid dal or any other dal. It's up to you. I'm going to use these two types of dal today. I need to wash the dal first with water and drain the water and keep it aside. Then in a pan I'm going to add the dal. Then with that I'm going to add some sliced onions, some sliced garlic, and some turmeric powder. The name and the measurement of the ingredients will be in the description box. Just mix that a little and add some water. I'm not going to add too much of water, just enough water to cook the dal, and as well as the water will be drained out. Mix it a little and let the dal to boil. Put in a medium-low heat and cover it and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. You can see from outside that the dal is cooked properly and as well as the water has dried out. Then just open the lid and mix the dal with a wooden spatula like this. You have noticed that I'm not using a pressure cooker here. If you want, you can use the pressure cooker as well, but I don't prefer to use the pressure cooker. Just mix it well. You can see the dal is completely tendered and smooth. When the dal is smooth enough, I'm going to add some boiling water. Try to use hot water in your cooking. That will give you better taste. Just mix it properly. Do not add too much of water because restaurant dal is always thick, it's not very thin. We are going to cook the dal for 10-15 minutes more, so use some little bit of more water than your desired consistency. Just mix it properly and let it cook for few minutes. You can see the consistency now, how thick it is. At this point I'm adding some salt here. You have seen I haven't added the salt before, so add the salt to your taste. Mix the salt with the dal very well and let it cook for few more minutes. We are going to cook this dal for few more minutes in one pan, and in another pan we are going to prepare the tadka of the dal. In another pan I'm going to add some oil, and with that I'm going to add some ghee. In the restaurant this dal is very rich. They use lots of oil and ghee, and we know that it's not healthy, but we don't eat them every day. And I'm trying to show you with less oil and ghee. Now add some dried whole red chili, some cumin seed. Just keep mixing them. Remember to put the heat on medium-low, otherwise it will burn and that will ruin the taste completely. Now add some sliced onion. Give it a little mix. In restaurant they use lots of ingredients for tadka, but I'm trying to show you in an easy way so that I'm not going to use too many ingredients here. Now add some sliced garlic and some sliced green chili. Just keep mixing them so that it doesn't get burned one side and uncooked in other side. You can also add some finely chopped ginger here, but I'm not using it today. If you want, you can add it as well. I'm not going to make it dark brown, just a little golden brown, and it's done. A little pinch of salt so that it's not really tasteless. Just keep mixing everything very well. You now have the aroma of ghee and other ingredients everywhere. When everything became golden brown, I'm going to take one portion of it in a separate pan. We're going to use this for garnishing later. Just take one portion of it and keep it aside. And in this hot pan with the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to add the cooked dal. Try to add the dal to this hot oil, that will give you the burning flavor. You don't need to add all of it, just add few spoons of it and then transfer the portion with the dal. Add all of the dal to it and just give it a good mix. Just keep mixing the dal very well so that all the ingredients incorporated with the dal. Now we are going to add some butter into it. This is the magic ingredients that change the whole flavor of your dal. Give it a good mix and now add the last ingredients, which is finely chopped green coriander. Give it a mix so that everything is mixed together and cook it for 1 minute. Our dal is ready to serve now. You have seen how easy the restaurant style dal was made. I tried to show it in an easier way and with very little ingredients. Still the taste is just like restaurant. Serve the dal in a serving dish and garnish with the remaining tadka that we saved earlier. I'm sure your kitchen is super aromatic now and I hope your neighbor is not knocking at your door. Don't forget to give it a try today and let us know how it turns out. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and please, if you like the recipe, do like and share, and please do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Keep an eye on my channel for new recipes and stay well, stay safe. Thank you.